Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add iconic product block to your product page. So, your product page might look like this without any product blocks. So, here in this app, you can see all the available blocks for you, and you can add any of them to your product page. So, let's try this benefits block. Once you hit the add block button, it will take you to the product customized page like this, and also will add that block automatically. So here is that block. Now in this block you can change the icon, color, background color, font size, and also all the text available here. And you can also set margin and padding based on your theme design. Now this text can be static, or also you can connect metafields with it. So each product has its own unique benefits displayed. And once it's ready, you can place that block as per your requirement and save. Now this block will be available for all the products in your store, and this way you can optimize the performance of your product page and get more conversion as user get the details they want before the purchase, and it improves the trust. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you need any other help.